A very welcome for today's lecture. Lesson number 2, more on computer. Hello children, you have learnt a lot about computer in your previous class. Now study more about computer. The chapter covers what is a computer, types of computers, comparison between human beings and computers. A computer is an electronic device which is used to perform various tasks. On a computer, you can do calculations, draw and color pictures, play games, store a number of documents, listen to songs and watch movies, draw designs for buildings, machines, greeting cards, etc. Computers have become an important part of our everyday life. We see people using computers at many places. For example, at railway station, bank, school and hospital. Types of computers: desktop computer, laptop computer and palm-top computers. Desktop computer, laptop computer and palm-top computers are known as PC, stands for personal computer. They are called personal computers because they are made for personal use. Desktop computer. A computer which is kept on a table is called a desktop computer. Laptop computer. A computer which is kept on lap while working on it is called a laptop computer. It contains a battery inside it. We have to charge its battery like our cell phones. It is portable. Example can be taken everywhere easily. Also, it is called a notebook computer. Palm-top computers. You can work on this computer by keeping it on your palm. It could be kept even in your pocket. It is smaller than a laptop. It contains a battery inside it. Once its battery is charged, you can take it everywhere easily to work with it. Students, there is one more computer known as supercomputer. It is not used for our personal needs, but it is used in offices and government departments. Supercomputer works faster than any other type of computer. Comparison between human beings and computers. A computer is very fast at work. It performs all functions quickly and accurately. Human beings are slow in their work as compared to a computer. A computer does not make mistakes on its own, whereas every human being makes mistakes. A computer works tirelessly. Human beings get tired after working for some time. A computer has a huge memory. Human beings have small memory. A computer stores a lot of information and does not, whereas humans have habit to forget and limitation to retain information in their mind. But in some ways, human beings are superior to computers. Human beings have brain and power to think unlike a computer. Humans can take decisions on their own, but a computer cannot do so. Humans do not need electric supply to work, while a runs on electricity. Human beings work on their own, but computer works according to the instructions given by human beings. Students, thank you for attending today's lecture.